Coming from the middle, plenty in my tongue, been bumping in the up and I meet a different rate. Oh, now it's back on video. So what did you guys think? What did you think? Say something.
Totally amazing.
Huh? Yeah?
I think I actually saw a dinosaur peeking out through the waterfall.
Nice haircut, by the way. It's going to be very easy to drive. How about you? What did you think?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice?
I'm pretty sure the T-Rex that Donna Cotter Morgan.
Oh, T-Rex, yeah? What did you think?
I think the dinosaur tried to eat me, so
Uh-oh, any bites? Any, you okay?
Yep, some bug bites.
Excellent. Well, let's get in the helicopter and go back.
Okay.
Followed